Hi, today I'll present another elementary activity, and this one is called visual sentences. And again, I will use the content from the same two picture books, Raw and Quiet. With this game, we'll teach children how to form English sentences with a purpose to describe their doodle. I'm Mia. I create fun English games, write picture books for kids' language learning, and develop other material for kids who learn English as their second language. All is wrapped under the name Chessbook. Okay, let's see what visual sentences are. Visual sentences is a hand-on classroom activity for kids where children use flashcards and make a chart from them that helps them see how English sentences are formed. In this game, we'll focus on the sentences that are used to describe a picture. Children will speak English and explain what is where in the doodle they have drawn. The activity covers the language forms there is, there are, where children become aware of singular and plural. They use the object, covering the animals, and location, where they learn about the prepositions. In the elementary activity, children practice two things: how to form sentences and how to use grammar correctly. And then, later, they use what they've practiced in the social game when they describe the picture. Let's see how children practice making sentences. Where is a snake?
A snake is on the grass.
On the grass.
No.
Oh, but what about if the grass is very, very high and you can't really see the snake, it's hidden, then it will be in the grass, yes? So both is possible. Place 14 next to a giraffe. Okay.
14 giraffe
We have 14 of them, so 14.
No, 14 giraffes are on the grass.
Perfect. At the beginning, children create realistic sentences, the ones that are drawn on their doodles. But once they figure out possible combinations, they start enjoying it. You have 100 of them, so it's not elephant, but
Elephants. Do 100 elephants
crawl
in the tank?
Crawl. That's it for today. Don't forget to give me a like for this video, and if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, you can do that now. See you in my next video.